GX Acrylic Polishing Machine User Guide. Remove the retainers on the side and bottom of the spindle. The machine needs to be transported with the spindle fixed to prevent damage. The air pressure is kept at 6. Turn on the power. The operation screen lights up. Black screen, please rotate emergency paths. Select language, click to enter the system. Password 8888. Select lateral reset. The spindle returns to the starting point. Adjust the cutter head. Place the polishing knife marked 3 just above. Select Spindle Advance. Rotate clockwise to ensure the polishing knife does not touch the workbench. Reset the cutter head. Select Spindle Back. Select Locate Down. Placing materials. Switch manual mode to automatic mode. Back in place and reset complete display green. Press the automatic button and the machine starts working. Press the automatic reset button to end polishing and return to the starting point. Press the automatic button to continue polishing.